Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 11, that is constitutional values and rights and duties. So in this chapter we will study about the constitution values, what are our fundamental rights, क्या हमारी fundamental duties हैं, उसके importance के बारे में बात करते हैं. So we have fundamental right, that is right to freedom, right to religion, right to equality and right against exploitation. तो हमारे पास 6 फंडामेंटल राइट है. सबसे पहले हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वैल्यूज की बात. फर्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वैल्यूज व्हिच आर द फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल एंड आइडियाज दैट फॉर्म द बेडरॉक ऑफ द कंट्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और गाइड द लीगल एंड एथिकल फ्रेमवर्क. ये क्या डिफाइन करता है? अ काइंड ऑफ सोसाइटी अ नेशन एस्पायर्स टू बी एंड एस्टैब्लिश द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन state and its citizen. Constitutional values mentioned in the preamble. The philosophy of Constitution of India embedded in preamble is like an introduction with its basic aims and objectives, and it must be remembered that the preamble is not the part of the Constitution. ये not enforceable है कोर्ट में और एक guiding light है Constitution. Right? Now sovereign. Preamble declares that sovereign country, it means that India is free from external control. इंडिया क्या है? फ्री है एक्सटर्नल कंट्रोल से एंड रन इट्स ओन गवर्नमेंट एंड फॉर्मुलेट्स इट्स ओन फॉरेन पॉलिसी. देन वी हैव सोशलिस्ट, दैट इज द वर्ड सोशलिस्ट, सेकुलर और यूनिटी एंड इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ द नेशन. दे आर एडेड बाय द प्रीएम्बल. और कौन से अमेंडमेंट्स आए थे? 42 अमेंडमेंट, राइट? एंड इट मस्ट बी रिमेंबर्ड दैट अनलाइक द टाइप ऑफ सोशलिज्म दैट एक्जिस्टेड इन द सोवियत यूनियन एंड सम अदर फॉर्म्स द चाइना नॉर्थ फोर्ड, सो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डज नॉट एबॉलिश प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी ऑलटुगेदर. इंडिया हैज followed the concept of mixed economy, जो किसमें एम करती है? ऑफरिंग इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ऑल. नाउ सेकुलर, ये क्या हाईलाइट करती है? नॉन एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ रिलीजियस बायस ऑफ द कंट्री. ऑल रिलीजन ट्रीटेड विद इक्वल रिस्पेक्ट एंड पीपल बिलोंगिंग टू द ऑल रिलीजन एंजॉय सिमिलर राइट. देन वी हैव डेमोक्रेटिक, मीन्स वी हैव पीपल हैव राइट टू एंजॉय द पॉलिटिकल राइट. दे वुड इलेक्ट देयर रूलर्स who would be accountable to the people. Next we have republic. Preamble also states that India is a republic, which means that the head of the state is the president. It is elected by the people and it is not a hereditary rule. Justice की बात करें, जितना भी आपका preamble है वो secure करता है all the citizens. Social, economic, political. Social justice involves abolition of social inequality, removal of discrimination based on gender, religion and caste. Economic justice. Economic justice का क्या मतलब होता है? कि जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होती है वेल्थ की वो इक्विटेबल होनी चाहिए, मतलब इक्वल होनी चाहिए. पॉलिटिकल जस्टिस मतलब सबको इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी दो, चाहे वो मैन हो चाहे वुमेन हो, वो किसी भी कास्ट के हो, किसी भी क्रीड के हो, रिलीजन के हो, दे शुड पार्टिसिपेट इन द गवर्नमेंट. राइट? वी हैव द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज. ठीक है, इसमें क्या होता है? आपके पास राइट होती है वोट करने को. सो द सिटीजन जो 18 है और अबव द 18 है, दे कैन चूज देयर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एंड इलेक्टेड. Liberty. Liberty means liberty refers to freedom of an individual to express his thoughts, views and beliefs for the fullest development. Indian citizen क्या करते हैं? Freedom of thought, expression, faith और worship को. Then we have equality. मतलब liberty without equality is meaningless and preamble aims to secure equal opportunity and safe scope for all life development. They are treated equally before law and what they have in short equal protection by law. Now fraternity, ये क्या impose करता है? Maintenance of the dignity and individual and encourage citizen to read them to follow being the spirit of brother. ये क्या enrich करते हैं? Strength करते हैं unity को among the people. With write down the independence consequently, they establish democratic republic inclusion. Question arises that what they are. So question arises that why they are called fundamental. क्योंकि ये basic human right हैं and they are so called because they help in the attainment of full moral or spiritual stature, right? So we can say that effective procedure for the implementation has been assured in constitutional right and they are presently 6 fundamental rights. Fundamental rights क्या होते हैं? ये जो rights है, जैसे right to equality, कि हर एक इंसान क्या है? Equal है. And what are the main components? First is economic equality. Economic equality में क्या होता है? They are the equality of opportunity the citizen in the matter relating to employment or appointment to any office under the state. So no discrimination are based on it. They can, however, reserve post of members of any backward classes or citizen. Not educatively representative in the state survey. This was done to what? Uplift the section of the people and bring them on par with other advanced section of society. The Supreme Court in the recent past retorted the recommendation of the Mandal Commission and what they granted reservation of 27% to the government post. Abolition of untouchability means Parliament pass an Untouchability Offence Act on the grounds of untouchability and what it suggested punishment. ठीक है, 6 months के लिए imprisoned है, 500 का fine है, and they are prohibited from taking water from the tank and well for the spring for entering it. So right to equality की बात करें, equality before law, equal protection of law, right, prohibition of discrimination on grounds of law, equal access to shops, bathing, guards, hotels, equality of opportunity, abolition of untouchability. Now, right to freedom of religion, we have conscience and profession, manage religious affairs, and give religious instruction. Exploitation में prohibition of forced labor, employment to children in hazardous job. Right to liberty, जिसमें आपकी personal freedom आता है, right to speech and expression. आपको assemble करना है peacefully, form करना है association, freely move करना है, reside करना है, settle करना है in any part of India. Your right to life and liberty. Now, social equality. Social equality means they do not permit discrimination against any citizen on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex, and place of birth. The government makes special provision for women and children. In special provision, we have advancement of socially and economically, educationally backward classes of citizens. Equality before law मतलब हर कोई law के आगे equal है, सबको same protection मिलेगी, चाहे वो किसी भी group के हो. Abolition of title means अगर कोई भी title जो except military और academic distinction हो, जैसे title of खान बहादुर शाह, राय बहादुर, they were conferred by the British, तो इनको हटा दिया गया. और award जैसे भारत रत्न, पद्म विभूषण, पद्म श्री, they do not come with the constitutional prohibition. No citizen of India can accept any title from any region of the state. Right to freedom. Freedom is a very essence of democratic government. It is the palladium of individual liberties, जिसमें आपके freedom आते हैं, right, freedom of speech and expression, peaceful, assemble peacefully without arm, form union and association, move freely, reside and settle in any part of India, or acquired and hold or dispose property, and practice and process, or to carry any occupation. So the right to freedom also include right to personal liberty, means no one can be given punishment that is more than what the law permits. No citizen can be deprived of life and property. No person can be accused of any offense, shall be compelled to be witness against himself. In Menka Gandhi versus Union of India case in 1978, जो justice है, it was Iyer characterized Article 21 as a procedural Magna Carta. No person who is arrested shall be detained of the custody without being informed on the grounds of such arrest. So anybody arrested is to be produced before the nearest magistrate court within 24 hours of his arrest. Now, right to freedom of religion. हर कोई free है, आप अपने हिसाब से अपने religion को follow कर सकते हो, right? And it was a step towards this direction. And what it guarantees that every citizen's freedom of conscience and right to profess, practice and propagate. No compulsion for payment of taxes. No religious instruction of the institution can be maintained. We have cultural and educational right. India is considered to be an adobe of varied culture in different ways. People of India speak different language, use different script. Constitution protect करता है cultural और educational right को, minorities को, and the Article 29 allows all the section of people living in any part of the country having distinct language, script or culture. Nobody will be disallowed admission into educational institution. So all minority, चाहे वो किस पे based हो, religion पे, language पे, they possesses right to establish. Now, right against exploitation. We have Article 23 and 24 that prove the all forms of forced labor, beggar and traffic human involution. Now, right to constitutional remedies. We have very special right, Article 32 of the Indian Constitution, that seek protection all above the right and honor them. This allows citizens to move to the court if they believe that they have any of their fundamental right which is being violated. In case of imprisonment, the citizen can ask the court to seek if it is according to the provision of law of God. So we have 5 writ: habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari or quod warrantum. So habeas corpus means to have the body. It is issued order for the person or authority holding another person in custody. Mandamus क्या होता है? कमांड, मतलब पब्लिक ऑफिशियल ने क्या करा है कि आप ये वाली पब्लिक ड्यूटी आपको परफॉर्म करनी है, लीगली ऑब्लाइज करा है, राइट? नाउ है प्रोहिबिशन, which is issued to prohibit lower court from exceeding its jurisdiction or acting against the principle of natural justice. Certiorari means quash or order passed by the lower court or tribunal, especially if it is acted without or in excess of jurisdiction. कोवरेंटो मीन्स बाय व्हाट वारंट इट इज इशूड. सो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? मोर राइट्स विच इज नीड टू बी अ फंडामेंटल. द राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी इज नॉट अ फंडामेंटल राइट, but it is certainly a constitutional right. So I swear by my religion I will die for it, but it is my personal affair. The state has nothing to do after your secular welfare, health, communication, foreign relation, currency and Mahatma Gandhi, but not our own, my own religion. Give me the liberty to know what utter and argue freely according to the concise symbol of. Importance क्या है fundamental right की? Fundamental rights help in developing the personality of the people. ये prevent करता है हर तरीके का exploitation, चाहे वो political हो, चाहे वो religious हो, चाहे वो economic. They are effective check against the misuse of authority and power by the government. They ensure the rule of law. They protect deprived section and the individual against exploitation. ये क्या इंश्योर करता है? पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ द सिटीजन इन द पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस, द फैसिलिटीज ऑफ द कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड एडजस्टमेंट बिटवीन द इंडिविजुअल एस्पिरेशन एंड द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम. डॉक्टर B.R. Ambedkar, what it's described fundamental right as the heart and soul of the constitution. So Dr. S. Radhakrishnan considered the fundamental right as a pledge to our people and pact with a civilized world. Fundamental duties: to abide by the constitution and respect the deals, to cherish and follow noble ideas, कि आप अपहोल्ड करोगे, प्रोटेक्ट करोगे सॉवरेनिटी को, इंटीग्रिटी को और यूनिटी को. यू डिफेंड करोगे कंट्री को और रेंडर करोगे नेशनल सर्विस. हार्मनी प्रमोट करोगे, स्पिरिट ऑफ कॉमन ब्रदरहुड. वैल्यू करोगे, प्रिजर्व करोगे रिच हेरिटेज को. प्रोटेक्ट करोगे, इंप्रूव करोगे नेचुरल एनवायरमेंट को. डेवलप करोगे साइंटिफिक टेम्पर, ह्यूमैनिज्म एंड स्पिरिट ऑफ इंजरी. सेफगार्ड करोगे पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी को. स्ट्राइव करोगे टुवर्ड्स द एक्सीलेंस इन ऑल स्फेयर. राइट? So an assessment of the duties. So duty carries out the panel provision and no citizen can be punished or non-observance. And what is the use of listing these duties? So above duties जो है वो aim करती है किसमें? Instilling patriotism and helping them to follow code of conduct. So a few critics ने portrait भी करा है कि जो display है sentimentalism का वो क्या है? Beyond the concrete realities of KK Nigam जो भी आपके describe है, that is mere pious declaration without any exception that citizen would discharge. So utility of fundamental duties. First is non-controversial in nature. मतलब politician have different view, ideal and provide guidance. ये एक ideal है, ये citizen को help करता है in the right direction, और ये एक environment है किसका? Selfishness का. This tendency किसमें क्या करती है? ये erode करती है society को और ये serve करती है ideal behavior. Cause in public awakening, fulfillment of the fundamental right are voluntary and not compulsory. ठीक है? If the people keep fundamental duties in their minds, we would soon witness fundamental revolution in them. Efforts made for marginalized community to realize their right. So Article 17 क्या provide करता है? Untouchability की, जो abolished करा. And then we have Article 46 of the Constitution of India, which will be no bar of admission. कोई भी गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में, कोई स्कूल में एडमिशन लेना है तो आपको ऑन द ग्राउंड ऑफ रिलीजियस कास्ट क्रीड लैंग्वेज आपको इग्नोर नहीं करा जाएगा. Now efforts made by the government. Citizen belonging to the weaker section, particularly to those tribes and castes who were century underprivileged, was provided. Setting up of tribunal advisory council, separate department in the state, special officer will be there. Reservation होगा in the appointment and promotion of public service. ठीक है? 15% शेड्यूल कास्ट के लिए होगा, 7.5% शेड्यूल ट्राइब के लिए होगा. स्पेशल रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज देयर इन द पार्लियामेंट. एडुकेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन होगा SC ST के लिए. टू इंश्योर द एडुकेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन इन द गवर्नमेंट सर्विस, सेवरल कंसेशन विल बी देयर इन द रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ एज एंड फीस. सो यूनियन गवर्नमेंट ने क्या सेटअप करा है? सेंट्रल एडवाइजरी बोर्ड ऑफ द ट्राइबल वेलफेयर एंड हरिजन वेलफेयर. द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो सेटअप वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट. और वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट सिंस 1990 अगर हम बात करें 27% रिजर्वेशन है बैकवर्ड क्लासेस के लिए. और जो रेमेडी है किसकी? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सेफगार्ड की, वो क्रॉनिक मलेरिया है ऑफ द कास्टिज्म. सो डिस्करेज द कास्ट बेस्ड फोर्सेस इन द सोशल, पॉलिटिकल एंड योर इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस इन ऑर्डर टू मेक फोर्सेस इररिलेवेंट. तो हमने क्या करा है? दे आर टू बी अपोज, नॉट टू बी अपीस. हम इनको अपोज करेंगे, ना कि अपीस करेंगे. Right? So this is all in this chapter. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.